Welcome to Innovative Online Tutoring and Writing at Doña Ana Community College. In this short presentation, we'll walk you through how to use our online tutoring services step by step so you can get helpful feedback on your writing assignments. Thank you for taking the time to learn about our services. This video will guide you through the process of submitting your work and receiving feedback from a tutor. To get started, go to the pinned discussion section in your course. From there, select a tutor who will review your assignment. You will see a list of available tutors on the screen. Before requesting help, please take a moment to review the tutor's schedule. This will help ensure that the tutor you choose is available and can respond in a timely manner. Once you've selected a tutor, click on the Reply button to begin your post. This is where you will introduce your assignment and explain what kind of help you need. When creating your post, there are a few important pieces of information you'll need to include to help your tutor provide effective feedback. Start by briefly explaining what kind of feedback you would like. For example, you might ask for help with your thesis, organization, flow, or citations. To keep feedback focused and helpful, try to limit your request to about 2 or 3 areas. Next, include your assignment instructions or prompt. You can copy and paste the instructions into your post or attach them as a file. This helps your tutor understand the requirements and expectations for your assignment. Be sure to include your Aggie or banner ID in your message. This allows tutors to properly keep track of your session. Most importantly, attach your assignment file. Click Attach, select your document, and then click Open. For best results, please upload your file as a .doc or docs document. After you've included all required information and attached your file, click Reply to submit your post. This will send your assignment to the tutor for review. Once your post is submitted, a tutor will respond within 5 to 7 minutes. Please allow up to 24 hours for your tutor to review your essay and provide feedback. We appreciate your patience during this process. After reviewing your paper, the tutor will upload a revised version of your essay with comments and suggestions to help you improve your work. If your assignment requires a tutor's signature, be sure to mention that in your post so your tutor can provide it. If you would like additional support, you can also request a Zoom meeting with your tutor. This allows you to review your paper together and ask questions in real time. That's all the steps for using our online tutoring services. We hope you take advantage of these resources and visit the Academic Readiness Center soon. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, please contact us at arctutoring@dacc.nmsu.edu or visit us at https://dacc.nmsu.edu/student-services/academic-readiness-center/